Trikonasana and Trikonasana. Come with the legs wide distance apart and see that your hip is parallel with the longer side of the mat. See that the knees looking towards the first and the second big toe and your hip is leveled. And after, with an inhale, spread your arms to the side, and with an exhale, slowly bend to the side, but see that both sides of the trunk remains parallel. There is no bending in the trunk. You can look up towards the upper hand. Feel the good stretch in the hip area, and you pushing your sacrum inside the body. With an inhale, ground with your heel and slowly come up. Come to release the position. For modification, you can bring your hands to your calf, or you can bring your hands to a brick. See that the weight is evenly distributed between the legs, and see that you're doing the 5 basic principles of right posture. Grounding with the heels, engaging the back part of the body, pushing everything up on the front part of the body by grounding with everything on the back side of your body. Level your hip and insert your spine inside the back while you lengthening your spine as well. When you are ready, release the position, come up, but see that you are not putting strain on your lower back as you're coming up from the position. Now let's see the variations. You can come to Trikonasana again, but now this time try to bring the hands next to the ears. Feel the good stretch in the whole part of your body. Or you can do a strengthening version when you come to Trikonasana, but you don't touch the floor. You are just squeeze your inner calf and your outer palm to each other, and you feel the strength in the body. Or in a more advanced variation, you can bring both of your hands next to your ears. Keep it for a few breaths and feel the strength in your body. Or in a more advanced version, you can come to Trikonasana with the legs, interlace fingers behind your back, and slowly bend to the side. Feel the power in your torso. Or you can also grab a brick, place it to your sacrum, push the sacrum inside the body with the brick, and like this come to Trikonasana again. These are very good version for body strength as well as for the joints and for the muscles. And now let's see Parshva Trikonasana, Twisted Trikonasana. Come with the leg wide distance apart, but now see that the hip is parallel with the shorter edge of the mat, like in Parshvatasana. From here, with an exhale, slowly bend forward from your hip area, and after inhale and with an exhale, bend more forward, twist, and place your hands to the outer edge of the feet. With an inhale, bring your arms to the sky and see that you are lengthening between the tailbone and the crown of the head, trying to twist with the spine and with the abdomen. For modification, you can have a brick under your palm. Or for this is an easy version, or for variation, you can also do a strengthening asana, not touching the ground, but squeezing to each other the outer edge of the palm and the outer edge of the calf. When you are ready, with an inhale, slowly come up and release the position.